welcome back to my channel. So today is my very first Louis Vuitton unboxing. It's kind of more like a review of 2019. It's because I kind of look through already the item that I've got. So this is the box. So the ribbon is off, obviously. This is something that some of you might be surprised when you see it. I've never mentioned this item on my channel, and it was not on my radar until a couple of weeks ago when I actually looked at the website, the Louis Vuitton website, just to see, you know, what's new, what's happening, and you know, and then every once in a while, you guys, I'll go on the men's section, you know, the men's section of the website, and kind of look through the men's items as well. So the item I'm just to show you is actually from the men's section. So let me just show you guys first, and then I'm gonna tell you what is it all about. So it comes in this Louis Vuitton dust bag, and some of you might be actually surprised when you see this, but I'll explain why I got this. So let me show you guys. Dum, da, da, da. So this is, do you see the glare? This is the Pochette Cosmos. Pochette Cosmos. And this is, you guys, this is nothing like I have before. This is all canvas, but it's coated canvas. So it's very shiny. It almost like laminated, I would describe it. So obviously this is something that it will be very, very easy to keep clean, because it's, I don't know how to, it's like a plastic film on top of the canvas. I know it might be a little bit difficult to see like the full beauty of it, or maybe that's better now that you don't see the glare because of the glare, but I think this is from the men's, I think it says fall winter collection. The last time I checked on the website was still available. I'll try to link it down below. I was looking, I'll tell you why I bought this, you guys, and I'll show you some details. I was looking for something that I could hold my my music, you know, the things that I'm working on, like in one section without, you know, kind of, you know, like all the stuff that I take to, you know, to teach at the college. Like I really want to have like some kind of like a document folder, if you know, if you will. And I was actually originally looking at the pochette. I think it was called Voyage. I think it's originally for like a laptop, the bigger version. But once I saw this, I think I was sold. So basically, like I said, this is all canvas coated in this kind of a clear plastic protectant. It does has a very interesting zippers, you guys. This is completely different for Louis Vuitton. As you can see, those are the zipper pulls. So it's very masculine. It's actually very, very pretty. And there's a little pocket in here, which I love. So I can put my hand pretty deeply in here. The pocket is pretty generous. And I think it's very handy to have it. And then obviously the main compartment, very nice smooth zipper, and it's all black, you won't be able to tell, but it's just a lining, just a fabric lining inside, and has a little slip. So this is the big compartment and has a little slip pocket as well. I'll try to do some close-up on the tag inside because it's very interesting. I think the person who designed this, correct me if I'm wrong, I forgot his name exactly, but I think he's the creative director now of the Dior. He moved from Louis Vuitton to the Dior. I think he's an Asian guy, but he's the one that came up with this line. And you know, like the men's line has this cosmos kind of theme going on. What's also really interesting about this pochette is the bottom. When you see the beautifully embossed Louis Vuitton, so this is all leather, and I just thought it was very cool. So because of the flat bottom, the pochette can stand on its own, and you can packed this with, you know, documents of things that you have to carry, because it's very soft. As you can see, it's very, very flexible, and you can put tons of stuff. So the reason I really wanted something like that, it's because, like I said, I carry lots of music. I work on, you know, different projects at a time. And for example, if I have, this is like a standard, I think A5 format. So I want to show you guys how easy it will just fit in here. See? So if you have like any documents or anything like that, it just slips beautifully inside. So this way I can keep all the things that I'm, you know, kind of currently working on in one place. If you have even like a desk agenda, look at the comparison. See the difference? How big it is. So obviously the desk agenda will go easily inside, and see how much room is there. You know, smaller books, iPad. I mean, look at all of this. There's still plenty of room. And of course, if you want to carry this as, you know, I don't know, like I guess outside just by its own, it would be great. I think I'm just gonna carry this like inside my the violin case has like a pocket, so I think I'm just gonna kind of slip this in a pocket with my music. But if you want to carry this outside, you know, you can put in your Nerveful or any bigger like a totes that you'll have. You can put your cell phone in here, you can even put a wallet in here. I mean, anything that you want will really, you know, it will be great. So for me, it's all mainly for music. So that's what I'm gonna use it for. So like I have my you know, in here. So yeah. So what do you guys think? I think it's a good purchase. I mean, I'm very happy with this. You know, it's just gonna hold all my essentials, and I think this little, you know, detail here at the bottom, it's really nice. And it's kind of carefree because of the, you know, the canvas, and zippers run smoothly. I like it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I will try to link it down below. Yeah, I will try to link it down below from the LV website, and I hope it's still available. You know, you have to keep checking because they goes in and out of stock. But if this is something, you know, that you think might be helpful, I really highly recommend, because I am surprised how actually roomy this thing is. By the way, I think it's like almost 14 inches across, so you can even put a laptop in here, although it doesn't have like a padding, you know, for like, it's not like a typical laptop case. And I think this is about 11 inches this way. So, and here, you know, there's obviously a little room in here, and gets a little bit narrower as you go up. I think this is perfect for documents, you know, and carrying, you know, smaller things. And like I said, if you want to keep it inside your bigger bag, bigger tote, I think it will be perfect. So this is it, you guys. Short video. I hope you enjoy my new pochette Cosmos. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.